My vision for Arte Manila in the next few years.
Okay, honestly ang gusto ko lang talaga is mag-expand na mag-expand not just here sa South but, in different areas even sa probinsya nga kung puwede. Kasi the more branches that we have, the more people that we could help. Natutuwa ako kasi, kahit sa dalawang branches that we only have right now, nakita ko yung development sa mga tao. Imagine mo kung saan sila nakatira, ganyan. Tapos ngayon nakakapagsuot na sila ng magandang uniform, they can talk, differently, they could act differently. Kasi nga dito sa Arte Manila, we don't just teach them how to become, service providers, we also teach them how to become better people through our personality development. And then, alam ko may purpose din sila dito, kung bakit sila nilagay ni Lord dito sa salon. And I'm sure, even if maghiwalay-hiwalay na kami, magkahiwalay na kami, yung progress nila sa buhay will be a lot better than who they are right now.